everybody. Welcome to Sarah Meets the World. This is my new YouTube channel where I will be talking to Pakistani expats who are living outside, who are probably missing Pakistan, who probably want to talk about it. So, whatever their concerns, whatever their success stories are, we'll be discussing all of that in my new channel. My first guest for today is someone very dynamic, very charismatic. I've known this lady since 2018. We started working on a business platform together. We are still working as business partners. And as far as her profession is concerned, she's a very successful clinical psychologist. She has worked in both government and private psychiatric sectors. A very successful personality. She has been a scholar, a researcher, a faculty teaching in universities. So much she has to share. So without further ado, I'd like to welcome Dr. Farah Khan. Hi Farah, how are you doing?
हाय सारा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हो आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक, आप कैसी हैं?
फर्स्ट क्लास, एकदम बढ़िया। Thank you so much for having me over, Sarah.
No problem at all. It's
Like
my
always, I'm sure it will be a good.
It's my honor to have you as my first guest. I've just started this channel, and you being my first guest is a huge honor for me. So thank you so much for taking out time. Yeah, I just want to know that you've just moved from Pakistan and you moved to Sydney, Australia. So how's it going? How's your experience so far?
अरे सारा, बड़े मजे के है। What to tell you? In fact, रोलर कोस्टर राइड ही रहा, because I was supposed to fly और ये सोचा था कि बड़े मजे से अपने घर वालों के साथ ईद उल फितर एंजॉय करूंगी और उसके बाद सीट बुक करेंगे और फ्लाई करके आ जाएंगे. So it will not be a problem. Life is nothing but a roller coaster. Or I feel that everything you learn and everything you adapt with needs to be with a lot of flexibility. तो हुआ ये कि my husband called me on Friday कि 2 दिन के बाद फ्लाइट है, which means Monday night. Okay? Monday night की फ्लाइट है और वो जो ईद के बाद वाली फ्लाइट थी वो अब नहीं हो रही है. And I had no other option but to decide on the spot. और in 2 days वो पूरी चीज पैक तो नहीं कहूंगी, मैं रैप कहूंगी, because रैप अप करके आना था. और it was such a chaos, but of course we said yes. और ना ईद घर वालों के साथ हुई कराची में, ना ईद हस्बैंड के साथ हुई, बल्कि लॉकडाउन में हुई, because क्वारंटीन करना होता है यहाँ पर आने के बाद 2 weeks के लिए. तो it was so funny क्या what you plan and what Allah's plan is, it's absolutely different. तो जब हम यहाँ आए थे तो बड़ी खुशी थी कि वी कुड गो आउट, वी कुड मीट, आना जाना मिलना जुलना सब चल रहा था. एवरीबडी वाज मास्क फ्री, कोई लॉकडाउन नहीं, कोई किसी चीज का रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं. आई वाज सो अमेज्ड टू सी कि दुनिया में सब चीजें बंद हो रही हैं और ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो है वो कोविड फ्री हुआ हुआ है. तो सब लोगों ने बोला चलो जी, तो पाकिस्तान से लेकर आ गए. विद इन 3 weeks यहाँ लॉकडाउन लगा and ever since अभी भी लॉकडाउन ही है. बट आई फील वेरी स्ट्रांगली सारा that if you plan your day well and if you have things in place, you will actually not realize कि वो पूरा दिन कहाँ चला गया. So a lot of people ask me कि मुश्किल हो रही होगी एडजस्टमेंट में, एक तो कंट्री मूव हुई है, घर वाले दूर हैं, plus काम and everything. I only say one thing to them: thank God we are in an era where there is videography and there is technology. Imagine करो वो टाइम जहाँ पे एक दूसरे की शक्ल देखने को नहीं मिलती थी. तो I pay gratitude for what I have rather than thinking क्या नहीं मिला है, क्या नहीं हुआ है.
I completely agree to that. So how's like Sydney different from Pakistan? I'm sure it'll be a huge difference, but I want our viewers to know how is this country different from Pakistan?
Okay, so let's talk about things जो आपको adjust करने में बहुत help करेंगे. अब मैं तुम्हें honestly बताऊं, when I came here, I thought it would be very dicey, it would be tough. Because जाहिर है एक तो ये कि आपका culture बहुत different है, plus उसके बाद आप you have to literally look for things to match with your own religion and cultural norms, और आपके खुद के value system से match करना चाहिए. But after coming here, I realized it's one piece of heavens जो किसी भी तरीके से एडजस्टमेंट में मुश्किल नहीं है. बिकॉज सारा एवरीवेयर यू गेट हलाल फूड, एवरीवेयर यू गेट शान के मसाले, एवरीवेयर यू गेट ऑल द फन ब्रांड्स. आपको टपाल मिलेगी, आपको एवरीडे मिलेगा, आपको और क्या चाहिए, आपको सब कुछ पाकिस्तानी देसी मिलेगा. तो मैं कहती हूँ भाई वो भाई लोग जो हमसे पहले आए हुए हैं उन्होंने ऑलरेडी इतना सेट कर दिया है एडजस्टमेंट दैट इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. So all thanks to them.
That's great. I'm sure a lot of people are not aware of the fact that all these brands are available over there. So I think it's a blessing. It's a blessing for all Pakistanis.
But सब मिलता है.
So that's amazing. But what do you miss about Pakistan then? I'm sure you'll be missing a lot of things.
What I miss really about Pakistan, एक तो ये कि family. Of course,
Mhm.
my mom is there, my
Yeah,
nanny is there, my
yeah,
entire maternal side, paternal side is there, my
yeah,
father's grave is there, जिसकी कोई replacement नहीं है दुनिया में कहीं पे भी चले जाओ.
yeah.
तो वो एलिमेंट कहीं नहीं है वरना अब गोल्स बड़े हो गए हैं अब एक पैशन बड़ा हो गया है बिकॉज अब ये दिख गया है कि यहाँ की क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इतना इम्प्रूव्ड है दैट ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड वांट माय लव्ड वंस टू बी हियर विद मी तो अब एक गोल मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को बोला मैंने कहा मुझे अब एक गोल बनाना है आई वांट अ वेरी बिग हाउस एंड आई वांट टू स्पॉन्सर माय फैमिली फुली फंडेड ट्रिप टू सिडनी ऑस्ट्रेलिया सो दैट्स गोना
Wow.
बी रियली क्रेजी ड्राइव लेकिन
Hmm.
कराची की जो चीज मुझे सबसे ज्यादा याद आती है वो वहाँ का स्ट्रीट फूड वहां की
Hmm.
गंदी हरी चटनी वो बन कबाब आपको यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा आई कैन बेट यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा
So how's the food over there? Are you missing spicy food? Is it mild spicy? How is it? The taste and all?
तो सारा यहाँ पे यू गेट ऑल द cuisines thank
Okay.
god you do have Arabic foods you have Lebanese foods you have restaurants serving Pakistani food you have some truck adda types places you have typical nihari places you have do darya here as well I do
Really?
have student biryani here as well yes you have all
Wow.
these places जहाँ पर आपको हलवा पूरी से लेकर अंडा पराठा देसी चाय आपको पाए नली मगज निहारी एवरीथिंग यू क्रेव फॉर यू ऑलरेडी गेट इट हियर सो वो समझ लो कि बस आपको एक क्लीन नीट प्लेस बारिश हर वक्त होती हुई और अच्छे एनवायरनमेंट में आपको अपना सारा वो कुजीन मिल रहा है तो उसका वाकई वो आपको होम मिसिंग एलिमेंट जो है ना वो थोड़ा कॉम्पनसेट हो जाता है
So I,
दिल थोड़ा मुतमईन हो जाता है
that's great. Yes, so I'm trying to say कि हमें खाने का इतना इशू नहीं होगा वहाँ पे लाइक जो टिपिकल पाकिस्तानी खाने होते हैं और जो
नो नो
एक टेस्ट
नो
होता है.
नॉट एट ऑल नॉट
Wow.
एट ऑल नॉट एट ऑल इसलिए मुझे
I,
सब चीजें मिलती मेरा बिकॉज आई एम अ फूडी आई
hmm,
लव फूड एंड
yeah.
आई कुक ब्रिलियंटली एज वेल तो मुझे तो सबसे बड़ा क्राइसिस ये था कि हाउ विल आई एडजस्ट बिकॉज कराची में जो टोटल एंटरटेनमेंट है यू विल एग्री विद मी इज ऑल
Of
दीज गुड
course.
प्लेसेस वेयर यू कैन हैंग आउट इन द इवनिंग दीज
Yeah.
कॉफी शॉप्स और रेस्टोरेंट्स जो दो दरिया पे सारे बने हुए हैं सो मेरा सबसे बड़ा थॉट ये था कि माय गॉड हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू सर्वाइव एंड हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू एडजस्ट there, but everything was right in place. Alhamdulillah.
That's great. I think that's very new for me, and I always thought, yeah, after stepping outside Pakistan, the biggest challenge that I'm gonna have is the food. Okay, I'm gonna not gonna have this
Hmm.
kind of food over there.
Hmm.
So I think it's nice.
Hmm.
And in my upcoming episode, I'll be talking to people from different countries. So let's have their point of view as well. How are they surviving with the
Lovely.
foods with the food street
Yeah.
over there? So that's great. That's great. So how are you continuing your profession in Australia? What are the activities that you have continued and the things that you're not doing there because of the change in country?
So, what happened was that मेरे साथ ही already हमारे कुछ friends थे जो travel कर रहे थे to Sydney. And we also had to quarantine for 2 weeks in a hotel and they also had to so once we came outside and we met each other and they were like कितना भयानक था ना 2 हफ्ते का stay and I was looking at them and thinking कि ऐसा कैसे बोल रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि मुझे सांस लेने का होटल में भी टाइम नहीं मिला it was so much fun I tell you because I feel that Sara every challenge is an opportunity earlier 2 years back when I wanted to move things to online things were pretty tough although I'm part of a global e-commerce venture जो totally online है but still हमारी trainings और हमारा जो meetings business meetings होती थी वो physically होती थी so जिसकी
Hmm.
वजह से a lot of times I had to manage things during the daytime during the evening time but ever since pandemic has hit हम लोगों का 100% प्योरली ऑनलाइन हो गया और ये हुआ मार्च 2020 से and that
Oh,
was a time when my entire clinic also moved online my trainings went online my career counseling and other ventures went online so सबसे बड़ी बात जो मुझे इतना एफर्ट नहीं डालना पड़ा वो अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से ऑटोमेटिकली चीजें ऑनलाइन हो गई आई थिंक कहते ना अल्लाह इज मेकिंग वेज फॉर यू टू एडजस्ट वेल आई हैड नो क्लू व्हेन आई वुड बी फ्लाइंग बिकॉज कब से पाइपलाइन में था जाएंगे नहीं जाएंगे जाएंगे डाइसी था कुछ कंफर्म नहीं था लेकिन मेरे आने से पहले मेरे मेरे ना सिर्फ मेरी टीम बल्कि मेरा पूरा ग्लोबल सेटअप से लेकर मेरे क्लाइंट्स एवरीबडी वाज ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन so it was a very easy move I to be very honest
that's great. I think digital is the way forward, and we're all living our digital lives now. So thanks to COVID for enhancing this platform even further. Now almost
Correct.
everything is on
Correct.
almost everything is online, and you can work from home, so it can be managed from any part of the world, which is great. That's nice to hear that. Any message for all those people who are migrating to Sydney? Your experience so far, any tips that you'd like to give them once they join that country? Yeah.
So जो एक बेसिक चीज मैं आपको बोलना चाहूंगी वो ये कि प्लीज व्हेन यू मूविंग हियर, पहली चीज तो ये कि दिमाग से ये चीज डिलीट कर दो, बहुत दूर है, बिकॉज वो बहुत दूर पाकिस्तान से वाली फीलिंग जो है ना विल मेक यू वेरी डिप्रेस्ड. इट विल पुट यू इन दैट पिटी स्टेट के हाय मैं सबसे कटी हुई हूँ, बाकी सारे लोग अपने एक दूसरे के साथ हैं, दे आर हैविंग फन एंड ऑल. Trust me, there are lovely people here. There's a massive Pakistani community who are extremely supportive. I made amazing new friends. They're so accommodating कि मुझे यहाँ के honestly नहीं feel हो रहा बिल्कुल भी कि मुझे मेरा real friends, real cousins, real brothers and sisters नहीं मिले हुए, because वो मिलना जुलना आना जाना खाना पीना first 3 weeks जिनमें lockdown नहीं था, you will not believe Sara, there was not even probably every 2 days 3 days I was invited. और निहारी की दावत भी हुई है, तो ईरानी कुजीन की दावत भी हुई है, सो इन सब चीजों की. सो मैं आपको ये मैसेज दूंगी कि यहाँ पर हर चीज मिलती है. पहली चीज ये आपको हर तरह का आराम होगा. जब आपको फूल झाड़ू मिल जाए समझो सारा आराम है. दूसरी चीज ये, it's a beautiful place to actually enhance your health to another level. It's a place where I actually, to be very honest, started to work a lot on my mental health. Mental health, my spirituality, my meditations, my yoga, everything got in place after moving here. जिसकी मैं बहुत अच्छे से लिस्ट बना के बैठी हुई थी, वो सब चीजें यहाँ पे हुई. Because nature supports you, Sara. यहाँ पर it's drizzling or raining every 2-3 days. It's beautifully green. You have a lot of riversides, lakes and forests walk alongside. तो वो automatically आपकी चीजों में add on कर देता है, आपकी health में add on कर देता है. तो जितने भी लोग यहाँ मूव होने वाले हैं, डोंट फील आइसोलेटेड. You will get amazing support system. Just be ready and just welcome the change you will be experiencing. That's my message.
Wow, that's a wonderful message. I'm sure that will help our viewers a lot. So thank you so much, Farah, for all the lovely tips. Now we're gonna have a quick rapid fire round, because I always wanted to do this. You know, it's something whenever I used to watch Coffee with Karan, I used to get this idea. Someday I'm gonna do this with my guests, and this is the time. So I'm gonna just ask you.
Okay.
I hope you know the drill, how it works and all. So it's very quick. It's like rapid and full of fire, like Karan Johar always says that. So being a fan,
keeping fingers crossed.
Yeah, being his fan, let's just continue this. So favorite destination?
Favorite destination for me would be Kashmir, Pakistan.
Awesome. Favorite color?
Black.
Tea or coffee?
Tea. Desi doodh patti at all times.
Agree. Black or white?
White.
You just said favorite color is black.
Yes, but तुमने अब सवाल twist किया है. Black or white? The white is for soul too.
Okay, favorite movie?
Tamasha, Deepika.
Oh, how nice. Bicycle or car?
Bicycle.
Guys with beard or without beard?
With beard, definitely.
I agree. Okay.
My husband has a beard.
Okay. Canada or America?
None. Maybe America. Maybe. Maybe because my family is there. Australia तो already वो tick हो गया है. So if next destination to visit would be US, because half my Nanyal is there.
Favorite TV show?
Honestly speaking, Sara, I'm not at all a TV person. You'll be shocked. I only watch National Geographic or Discovery. उसको भी बहुत time हो गया, तो TV is a big no.
Okay.
Time ही नहीं मिलता.
Mountains or beaches?
Mountains, definitely.
A woman who inspires you?
A woman who inspires me is my coach, AVP Sharfun Sheikh. She is an epitome of love, and she is somebody who can transform anybody's mindset and carve them into a beautiful soul inside out. So I really look up to her, and I aspire to be like her one day.
Awesome. Awesome. You will be, for sure. Okay. One word for Pakistan.
Love. Home.
Do you want to come back?
As soon as travel opens, because these days I am having 2 weeks spring break, और वही मैंने प्यार से बोला, only if the travels were open for us to go back and forth, I would have been there already, despite I've just come. Doesn't
Great.
matter, I would have been there.
Great, great. Your favorite song?
That's a tough question. There are many. I can tell you my favorite singer. It's Kailash Kher, definitely, because I love his songs. But कोई specifically मैं नहीं बता सकती. हाँ, but on the loop, it's Coke Studio, Zeb Hania song, Ajare More Saya. I love that song.
Beautiful, beautiful song. Okay, describe yourself in 3 words.
Positive thinker. Very passionate. And I don't care अगला क्या बोल रहा है. तब उसको तुम कोई भी वर्ड दे दो. I'll do what I have to do.
Lovely.
वरना सर्वाइवल बहुत मुश्किल हो जाए. If you pay attention and keep everybody happy, then probably I should be opening up an ice cream stall, क्योंकि वो ही खुश रख सकता है सबको. It's very tough in normal life to keep everybody happy.
Lovely. Okay, your best friend's name?
My best friend's name, I would say it's my mom, Seema. She knows me inside out.
Your favorite place in the world?
My favorite place in the world. I love beaches and I love mountains. So it's a deadly combination. Malaysia mein it is Langkawi. You will get everything there. You will get beaches, you will get hiking, you will get mountains, you will get trail walks, forest walk, everything is there.
Oh, great. Your favorite food?
Desi, it has to be mutton kadhai. मेरे सारे close friends को पता है. They know, फरास आते, okay, it has to be mutton kadhai.
Okay. Describe life in 1 word.
Blessing.
Your backup career option?
Backup career option. I'll tell you, whenever you'll think of a backup, that's when you're not going to put 100% in what you have right now. So backup आपका होता ही तब है जब आपको ये डर हो कि जो कर रहे हैं वो सही नहीं है, या तो उसमें डाउट हो या अपने ऊपर डाउट हो. So I don't believe in that. What I'm doing, it has to be 100% with my complete conviction.
Okay, great. And last, your dream job?
My dream job, actually my dream job would be only to spend money, shop around, drive my GLS, which I will one day. I'm very sure about it. But my favorite task to do would be, what really drives me and connects me is to open up an orphanage. Is to because बहुत बच्चे हैं सारा जिनको प्यार नहीं मिल रहा, and it's very 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 painful.
Yeah.
हमको नहीं रियलाइज होता क्योंकि हमारी माएँ हमारे सर पर हैं, बट देयर मेनी चिल्ड्रन हु आर सफरिंग एंड वी कैन हम प्यार दे देंगे उनको तो हमारे पास से कुछ कमी नहीं होगी, बट उनके पास बहुत कुछ जमा हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग जब हम सारी फीमेल्स को वी ऑल शुड गेट टुगेदर एंड do it as a drive. That's what I feel.
That's a lovely thought. So that's all about it. Thank you so much, Farah, for taking out time for all your lovely answers and everything. I'm sure the viewers will learn a lot from this session, and let this be of great help to them. So let's see the kind of response we receive once we publish this video. And thanks once again for joining us. Hope you had a wonderful time too.
Thank you so much, Sarah, for having me over. I wish you all the best for this venture. And I'm looking forward to see many great interviews on this.
Definitely.
Good luck, all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.